Hey everybody, it's Krystal Lee. And so look, believe it or not, Mother's Day has been one of the biggest grossing holidays for me and my brands. I know you may be like, what? But listen, people do not play about their mamas. Okay. And for my brand, Girl Plus God, one of our biggest launches have been Mom Plus God, just simply changing Girl Plus God to Mom Plus God, literally generated like $30,000 in a weekend. Okay. Now, you can do this several different ways. Today, we are on Printify because I'm going to show you how you can do this for no money upfront. Whether you already have a brand or whether you are completely new, you can do this. Okay. For me, I already had a brand. I just shifted it. So you can also do that if you have an existing brand. You can just update it for moms. But either way, Mother's Day is a huge opportunity, like I've been showing you for other holidays, for you to generate some extra cash flow. Okay. So I'm going to walk you through it here on Printify. I'm also going to give you 10 different ideas that you can just steal. Okay, you can just take these and run with them. And I'm going to show you all of them on Printify. If you're watching this video, if you happen to catch it after Mother's Day, no worries. I do this for every holiday just so that you know how to make some extra cash. So it's not too late. After that, there will be Father's Day. After that, there will be something else. So make sure you catch my videos for those as well. And just be willing to pivot and come up with new ideas depending on the season, right? Because no matter what everybody is saying about like, oh, this is happening in the world and that is happening in the world. Listen, my biggest grossing time for Mother's Day was during COVID, even though I know, there were a whole lot of things that went into play with that. But don't worry about what's going on outside. Just worry about what you can control, and that is creating your store for people to buy from you, right? Period. So if you already have a Printify account, I want for you to log in with me. If you do not, I want for you to hit sign up, right? Both of them are right here next to each other. So I'm going to log in. All right, so once you get in, right now there is a pop-up with Etsy. So they are making it super easy for you to connect to Etsy. You can connect to Shopify, you can connect to TikTok Shop, depending on the products that you're selling. Today, I'm going to be creating t-shirts, but Printify has a ton of things that you can sell, like literally from supplements to coffee to office stuff to home stuff to journals to jewelry. Like there's so much you can sell, right? So if you're interested in Etsy, you can sell your Mother's Day stuff on Etsy. I'm going to just say maybe later for now and go from there. All right. So as you can see from the catalog, Printify is already ready for you. Okay, do you see this? Mother's Day, depending on the time of the year, they will have that up here for you. They are helping you to know, like, okay, this is what you need to be focused on. So for Mother's Day, they have products here. We got the crew neck sweatshirts. Okay, we got phone cases, we got hats, we got blankets, mugs, canvases, journals, wall tapestry, candles, like bags, all kind of things that we can do. Of course, we got t-shirts, just everything. So there are pages and pages of things that you can create for moms. For the sake of time, I'm just going to use a t-shirt. This is also a great time too, even when it's Mother's Day. As you can see, they have baby stuff, right? Because somebody had to have the baby. So go through here and you're just going to select what it is that you want. And you can also filter it based on Printify's choice, lowest price, da 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 da, right? I'm going to select a product and we're going to come up with some different ideas. Okay. And so once you select your product, we're going to start designing. And they do have a tour for you. So if you have never designed before, you like, I don't know what to do, you can always take the tour. You can explore by yourself, which I'm going to do today, but I encourage you, if you have never used Printify before, take the tour. They are literally walking you through step by step to start your business with no money. So allow them to help you. I'm going to hit explore by myself and go from there. You can also create on Canva if you want. You can also get someone on Fiverr to help you. All of these options to the left are for your greatest good. Okay. Today we're going to add text. I know that a lot of people, they jump out and they're like, I gotta have purple, green, blue, yellow, baby pink shirts, and it gotta look like this. But sometimes simple is best. Like I said, changing Girl Plus God to Mom Plus God was a huge opportunity for me. So you don't always have to do too much. And they also have AI if you design it in Canva, or if you get somebody to design it for you, you can just upload a design. They have graphics, Shutterstock, so you can just put something else on there. Like I said, today we're just going to add text. Okay. And they even have text up here that's already done for you. Okay. You can just put it on there and start selling it. So I'm going to do just a standard font. Okay. So now let me give you the 10 ideas, and then I'm going to choose one, put it on a shirt, and go. All right. So these are trendy and fun Mother's Day t-shirt ideas. You can change them up if you want, or take it just like this, and add it to your brand, or create a brand and go from there. Number one, we got tired as a mother. So this is for the mamas who they doing the work and they are tired. Number two, you got mom, mama, mommy, bruh. So let's see. I can put it in here. Now you got to be mindful of the space that you have. So I'm gonna make it a little smaller. Okay, so tired as a mother. Okay. The next one, mom, mama, mommy, bruh. Okay, and that's for the mamas that's always getting called all day. Maybe you got a toddler or something. The bruh is like, okay, now. Next one, fueled by coffee and chaos. Okay. Next one is cool mom energy. And I'm telling you right now, any of these would sell. Now this one I should be taking for my brand. Okay. So people will obviously love that. If you have a faith-based brand or you want to create one, we got Momin ain't easy. And you can add, but I make it look good to the end of that if you want. I'm gonna just leave it at Momin ain't easy. Okay. We got some more trendiness. Soft, light, mama. Okay. We got raising legends. You see, I'm just moving it up and down depending on how big the phrase is. And this little box right here is your area to design. You can't go outside of that. So I think one of you asked me a question like, how do you make it bigger? You can't. This is your design area. So you got Raisin Legends. Oh, I could have made it bigger, y'all. My bad. We have CEO of the crib. And this can be used for a mom. This can also be used on a baby shirt. Okay. CEO of the crib. And then the last one I have, which I got these ideas off ChatGPT. It doesn't really align, but it says, if you think I'm cute, you should see my mom. So they made it for a baby, which, like I said, you can do it either way for Mother's Day because people would buy that for their babies or for, new moms, something like that. So you can do little bibs, you can do baby outfits, and they do have that here as well on Printify. So trust me, you have a lot of options. I'm going to go back and do God's favorite mom just so we can complete the process and show you how you can get started. So this is how it would look. And again, I'm using text. You can do this with AI or anything else. I could change the text up. Okay, that just gave me new text. Let me see. Oh, because I'm over here. Okay. I'm gonna just leave it at this text because I'm making it more difficult than it needs to be. But you can change the text. And, mom can be a different font. Like if I wanted to make mom be cursive or something like that. But for now, I'm gonna keep it simple, just like this, because somebody would buy it just like this, just like this. If I wanted to make it a little bigger, you can stretch it out. You can also put something on the back. So I'm gonna save this. And as you can see, they have created mock-ups for us. We love that. We got flat lay mock-ups and we have people. You can also upload your own mock-ups. And then they also help you with AI to come up with a title and a description. This is already done for you. Okay. So I would probably add some words like exclusive or something because just like with, okay, now I can't spell. Exclusive. Just like with Mom Plus God, it was only available for Mother's Day. So people all year would be like, when is that coming back? When is that coming back? When is that coming back? Like they could not wait for it. So exclusive, limited time offers, all of that will help you to market and sell it because people know it's just not going to be around forever. And then they already have care instructions on here. They already have product features for you, all of that. And they even put or celebrating Mother's Day. Okay. Shout out to Printify. Bless y'all hearts. Bless y'all hearts. I would kind of play around with this and put like Mother's Day exclusive, only 25 available or something, make it really something where people be like, oh my gosh, I have to hurry up and get this, right? And then you're going to edit your pricing if you want. They've already done it and they're showing you how much your profit margin is, how much it costs to make it, and how much your profit is. So this is how much you will get paid, 25, 15 for each one that you sell. So let's say you sell 25 of them, you've made about 600 or so dollars, 628.75, right? Give or take with taxes and all of that. So they have all the sizes for you. everything is done for you, right? From here, you would connect to a store. You can do, if you are in the States, you can do a Printify pop-up, which means your store will be created immediately. You can put this link in your social media bios. You can send it directly to family and friends and start selling immediately. You can also sell on eBay, Amazon, TikTok Shop for this product, Shopify, Etsy, all of these, right? And get started literally immediately. Now, for me, I would sell, I've done it multiple ways. There was one year I did it on Mother's Day. So the only day that you could get Mom Plus God was on Mother's Day, which I know is brutal, but they were coming to shop on Mother's Day. And so they actually got it after Mother's Day. And so the following year, I was like, let's do that a little bit different. And then I started doing it before Mother's Day so that they can have it by Mother's Day and wear it on Mother's Day, which this is why I tell you guys all the time, don't be afraid to mess up and learn from your mistakes and do it over. So because Mother's Day is almost here, it's up to you how you want to do it. You can also have a Mother's Day store year round, right? People celebrate their moms year round. So don't be afraid, even if you see this after Mother's Day, to create something just for moms or for babies, if that's something that resonates with you. All right. And then choose where you want to sell it, and you are off. Like, you are ready to sell. So let me know in the comments which one of these shirts or the phrases that you're gonna sell, or if you have another one, let me know in the comments so other people can see and maybe buy from you or any of that. Hopefully this video is helpful. Get started today. Log into Printify. The link will be in the comments and the description for you to get started. If you have any questions or any of that, make sure you leave them below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.